All right, folks, I built a 66 automatic console. Here's how it came out. Got it taped, got the heat on. You know, I want to go a little bit more right there. Now you're here. Right there. And the object is, I think, light coats, man. You're still going to get chemical reaction, and I wiped this. And that's it. You know, I mean, I'm just trying to do it the best I can. Maybe we'll spray that a little something too. I don't know yet what. But walk away. Turn the heat on and walk away. Oh, it's so hard to paint good. Anyway, this will be the final coat. We'll chrome and buff when we're done. And there's your console started on. Walk away, Arno. Walk away, man. Let it dry. Drying is the key. Okay, and that was the last coat, final and third. That's it, man. She's done. That's 3 coats. I'm leaving it. This is it. That was 3 coats. Even though I'd like to spray it with 1 more coat, I'm going to leave this go. Let this harden. Let this sit. Not touching it. Look, I didn't mess that up yet. You know, the pits are the pits, I owe. But I didn't mess that up yet. Walk away, leave it go. That's 3 coats. That's it. Usually, I would just keep spraying it till it melted. We're not going to do that this time. My man Joe Brink in the house. Got to try my best. Got to try my best with everybody in the house. Anyway, that's what I do. Consoles 101. Tomorrow, the total unwrapping. Catch ya. Look at that one I just dug up. That's that one I told you about. I told you I was saving a real good one for you. I didn't get the hinge yet, but look at that. I didn't detail that yet either. So, Mr. Joe Brink with the hot shit console. Factory console, I guess. It looks good, right? It ain't there yet. Anyway, all right, Joe, I'm going home. Enough. All right, folks, I built a 66 automatic console. Here's how it came out. It's a 2-speed console. Okay, never had 3 speeds in this year. 66 only. I started by inlaying all the black fins. And I still got to get the lock, but look. It's like 2 speeds, but there's a 3-speed console. I don't know. Anyway, that's how it came out. I'm hoping that you all like it, because I spent a lot of time on it. And that's it. Hope it works. Anyway, glove box locks 101. And again, like I said, 2 gears downstairs, 3 gears upstairs. I think that's going to work. We'll see. Anyway, enough for the day. That's it. I'm out of here. Catch ya.